time to use it during adversities. That's when it's time to use my measure of faith, is during adversities. That's the time I have to prove that I love you, not just with no lip service, but with a mind and a heart and an action. If I say I love you, if I say I trust you, my words should line up. I shouldn't be worrying and doubting and be fretting. The words that come out of my mouth will line up with your words. And I thank you, Lord God, that you're teaching me how to line my words up with your words and my thoughts with your thoughts. Because your thoughts are higher than my thoughts. But according to your word, what I read,